talking about a sugar booger flavor, woo.
You know you're doing something right when it smells good.
I know there's gonna be work every day till we meet ends. I fit turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me what you're drinking.
You having dinner with Ron and Vaughn. That's like having dinner with a dog.
Good time,
You got Chef Vaughn in the kitchen. And step one, gotta rinse the chicken. And then I gotta dice it into cubes. Just watch me get right. Got a nice little piece of chicken breast before I put it in her chest. And then she go to rest. You know, I like to get the fat off. Just because that's the part of the chicken that's lost. You don't eat the fat if you're a boss. I think cooking running with blood. You don't cook like that. I really like that when it comes to the kitchen. Just do what I'm supposed to. Gotta make it look nice. Cause I'm trying to cut it into a dice. And if she don't like it, I'm just gonna put on ice. Step 2, you gotta coat the pot with olive oil. Then you're gonna put the chicken in with the mixed vegetables. And you're gonna put the sauce on it too, cause you know that's where the females get lost.
It's OVA the creator.
A little bit of sizzle. You know you're doing something right when it smells good. And it's all cause I came from the hood.
It's OVA the creator.
First you gotta add some sriracha sauce. Then you gotta add some hoisin. Add a little bit of soy. And then you gotta hit them with the teriyaki. After that though, sauce him up like this here. Get him around. Everything gotta be covered, cause everything get when I reach. And I ain't even gotta preach. You can smell it.
It's OVA the creator.
Smell the soy. And you blend with new toys. Step 3, you gotta saute the chicken for 8 to 10 minutes until it's well done. Then you're done. hold up. Wait a minute. Because there's another step. Step 4. You gotta put the chicken on the lettuce and then add some teriyaki sauce. Because you know they lost. Delicioso. Oh yeah, about to take a little bite before I call it a night. It's the best meal I had all week.
Scared to come outside.